Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the second video of Practice Question Bank March 2021. In this video, all textual passages we have taken as well their answers also provided here. So let's see. But before that, I would like to say you please like, share and subscribe my channel and get the notification of new upcoming videos. Let's start textual passages with question and answers. So uh, in this video we are going to see textual passages that are from question bank provided by board. English activity set first, section second, textual passages. Okay, these passages are depend on a reading skill, vocabulary and grammar part. Okay, now see the first activity is there. Question number 2a. Read the following passage and do the activities. A1. Complete the following web. Okay, one diagram is given there and we have to fill it after reading the passage. Okay, but first of all you have to see that answers. After that we will discuss how we have taken that answers from the passages. Okay, star, shine across infinite sky, cloud, take new shapes with every passing moment, oysters, take in a grain of sand, they open up with pearl. And last one, tree, dance with unhindered passion. Okay, means like a mad. So these all answers are provided to you. Now see the passage is given there. You can see passages are given there. Okay, some words are underlined, some lines are colored because that are the answers. Like you can see one line here. Oyster take in a grain of sand, they open up with pearls. Okay, like this we have taken the answers from this passage. Okay, then clouds once again take new shapes with every passing moment. Stars shine across infinite sky. Okay, and last one, uh, trees dance with unhindered passion. Like this we have chosen the answers. Now you can once again you have to see all answers properly. After that we will discuss the second next question. So next question is there. See, this is the next question. Question number A2. What do the following things in nature teach us? Okay, ant and grass, these two elements are provided there, and that what we learn from them or what that things teach to us we have to write. Okay, now see, and teaches us to be organized as well, teamwork and perseverance. Okay, these are qualities of ants and we have to learn from them. It means ants teach us these qualities. A second one, grass, however impossible things may look, there is always an opening. Okay, these two answers we have taken from passage. You can see there here in the second line, how however impossible things look, there is always an opening. Okay, this line is used for grass. Okay, and next one is about ant. Okay, uh, that you can find there. Okay, teamwork, perseverance, these two words are here. You can see these are used for the ants. Okay, so these things we can learn from the ant and grass. Okay, so these two answers we get from the passage. Now question number A3. Okay, complete the following collocations with the help of the passage. Okay, means from passage we have to find out the words that are collocations of given. Okay, collocation is means some words are related to that words. Okay, like describing words. Okay, which come with the sequence. We call it collocation words. Okay, now see these words you can see collocation words always comes with the given word. Okay, now see cold winter. Okay, winter word, this word is given in the question paper, and the collocation word is cold. Okay, like this cold winter. If you are searching such type of words, then just keep in mind that words always come together. Okay, like describing words, so we have to write that word as a collocation word. Okay, first cold winter, from here we have taken. Okay, and next word is there moment, infinity, sky, and unhidden. Okay, here is unhidden passion, here infinite sky, and this one passing moment. Okay, these are collocation words. Okay, now see the next question. These answers we have taken. Question number A4, this is depend on grammar part. Spider webs are delicate yet very strong. Rewrite the sentence beginning with although. It means this sentence we have to make uh, like a clause. Okay, and subordinate clause we have to use at the first as a first sentence. So the answer we have made there. Although spider webs are delicate, they are very strong. Okay, like this you can make your own answers when the question is there about using although at the beginning. Okay, it means when we use although at the beginning of sentence, it becomes a subordinate clause. So for the remaining part, we have to use the subject and predicate to make the complete sense of the sentence. So next question is, we touch it and become gold ourselves. Add a question tag and rewrite the sentence. Okay, question tag. So given sentence is in simple present tense. That's why the our answer comes here. We touch it and become gold ourselves, comma, don't we? Then question mark. Don't we? This becomes question tag of given sentence. This one is A5. How do we deal with the difficulties and problems in life? Explain in brief. Okay, this is depend on your personal thinking, uh, how you solve your problems when difficulties come in your life. It's your personal response, but I have given the answer for you. You can see there answer. When I come across problems in life, I turn toward nature for inspiration. I try to understand how the different elements in nature deal with difficulties and try to solve my own problems in the same way. This is our answer. Now see next question. Question number 2B. Question number 2B. Read the following passage carefully and complete the activity. 10 marks. B1. Arrange the following sentences according to their occurrence in the passage. Okay. Four jumbling sentences are given there. We have to put them according to occurrence in the passage. So answers are given there. But before that, for your understanding, in the yellow color, I have given some numbers to the sentences as they occurrence in the passage. So in this way, you can write your answer. The first sentence occurred in the passage, that is, a daring thought came to her and she hurried home. Second, she sat beside her father in the gallery. Number third sentence that occurred in the passage, she listened to the unfolded ragas. And last one is, She went up the steps that lead to the wings. Okay, so in this way you can put this sentence according to their occurrence after reading the passage. Okay, passage is given there. Okay, when we read this passage easily you can understand that things. Okay, question number B. Okay, pick out two sentences which indicate Smita was enjoying the concert. Okay, two sentences we have to take from the passage that show she was enjoying the concert. Okay, now see these sentences are, I have underlined that part. Smita heard as in a dream the thundering welcome the audience gave the great master. And second one, Smita felt as if the gates of the land of enchantment and wonder were opening. Okay, so these sentences we have chosen, and this sentence shows that she was enjoying the concert. Okay, now in answer you can see these same sentences we have used, we have taken from the passage. First one in answer, Smita heard as in a dream the thundering welcome the audience gave the great master. And second sentence, Smita felt as if the gates of a land of enchantment and wonder were opening. Number B3, match the columns to their correct meaning and rewrite it. Okay, uh, for that we have to know what are the meanings of given words. If you know that, then it becomes very easy. Okay, answers are directly given to you. Enchantment, it means a feeling of great pleasure. A standing ovation, it means a period of prologue applause. Gasps, it means a short quick breath of air. And plaintive, it means sounding sad or mournful. Okay, number B4. Okay, these questions are depend on grammar part. First question is there, the concert came to an end, the audience gave the artist a standing ovation. Begin the sentence with no sooner than. It means no sooner, this word we have to use at first and then at the middle. Okay, where the second part of the sentence starts. As a rule of using no sooner, after no sooner word we have to use auxiliary verb which is depend on the given sentence. So you can see there, the concert came to an end. Came. Okay, see, came, this word shows this is a simple past tense. Okay, that's why after no sooner did, this auxiliary verb we have used and we have made our answer. And when the first sentence ends after that, then this word we have to use, and now we have to make a complete one sentence. Okay, now see the answer. No sooner did the concert came to an end than the audience gave the artist a standing ovation. Question number 2. In the wings, a small crowds had gathered to talk about the evening concert. Pick out the determiners from the given sentence. Okay, so in this sentence determiners are a and the. Okay, these are articles, but articles also used as determiners. In determiners there are so many words like sometimes demonstrative pronouns also used as determiners. So in this sentence only the articles are article, determiners, numeric. So many categories are there of determiners, but in given sentence only articles we can find there. That's why as the determiners we have chosen only two words that that are the and. These are actually articles, but articles also used as determiners. Question number 5. B5. This is a personal response question. Uh, you can write this question according to you, because this is a personal response. You have to write your own opinion here. I have given my own opinion. You have to write your own. Okay. This is depend on your own thinking. Would you like to see a live concert, or would you prefer to see it on television, and why? So the answer I provided, that is, I would like to see a live performance, a live concert. It is more enjoyable than watching the same concert on television. Another unique aspect of watching live concert is that there are many more activities that take place there which are often not telecasted. Conversely, while watching a concert on TV, we are constantly bombarded with numerous advertisements that can drain the mood of watching a concert. A live concert is far more delightful than watching it on a television. This is because the electrifying environment in a live event or concert is impossible to be replaced in one's living room. Okay, it means we are giving importance to a live concert. Now see the next. This is the logo of my YouTube channel. You can see. Now English activity set 2. Okay, first set we have completed. Now we are going to discuss about the second set. Okay, this is also same. Section 2, textual passages. It is depend on reading skill, vocabulary, and grammar part. Okay, now see the question number 2a. Read the following passage and do the activities. A1. Complete the following statement with the help of the passage. Sentence first. The heaviness of being successful was replaced dash, and the answer is, the heaviness of being successful was replaced by the lightness of being a beginner again. Second sentence. The technology we developed at Next dash, and the answer is, the technology we developed at Next is at the heart of Apple's current renaissance. Okay. You can see in the passage how we have taken these answers. Here I have underlined that statement, that sentence. Okay, and that statement, that sentence is answer of ours. And the second one is here, technology developed at Next is the heart of Apple's current renaissance. Okay, from this we have taken these answers. Now see A2. The writer Steve Jobs gives the reader some advice for life. List at least two of the important advices given by him in the passage. Okay, means only two advices we have to choose from the passage as an answer. Okay, so now see the last para here. From here we have taken two advices and we have put them as answer for us. Okay, answer of this question is there. First advice: sometimes life hits you in the head with a brick. Don't lose faith. And the second one advice is, the only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Don't settle. Okay, these are two advices given by Steve Jobs to reader. The next question. Okay, next question is choosing the appropriate word and complete the sentence like this. Okay, question number A3. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words given below. Devastating, renaissance, current, and creative. Okay, now Answers are given directly. You can see there. First one, the invention of the internet has brought about a renaissance in communication. Number two, we should read newspaper to keep ourselves updated on the current affair. Number three, the earthquake had a devastating effect on the life of the people. And fourth one, the art teacher is very creative. She always comes up with new ideas. Okay. Now, next question is depend on grammar part. Do as directed. A4. 1. Pixar is the world's most successful animation studio. Rewrite the sentence in positive degree. Okay. So, we have to know that when we are using a positive degree at that time, the adjectives always come within as or so as. Okay. And now this sentence we have to begin with no other. Now see, the answer is given there. It is positive degree of given sentence. No other the words animation studio is as successful as Pixar. Okay. So adjective we have taken in as. Okay. That's why it becomes positive degree. Not only taking as in a sentence, but we have to follow the rule how we have to change it. Now see second one. Don't lose faith. Rewrite as an assertive sentence. Okay. Assertive sentence, it means we needed a subject, verb and object for it. Then after that it becomes assertive sentence. So given sentence is imperative and we have to change it into assertive. It means we required a subject for it. So don't we have to replace by should not, and we know that the subject of imperative sentence is you. That's why you word we will use here as a subject, and we make the answer like this. Okay. The answer of this question is you should not lose faith. Okay, this becomes assertive sentence. A5. Once again, this is a personal response. What does the second story of Jobs convey to you? Okay, this is depend on you. What you are being conveyed by a second story of Steve Jobs, you have to write there. Okay, I have given my opinion. Answer. The second story of Jobs about love and loss conveys to us that even if our efforts result in complete disaster, we should continue believing in ourselves. It tells us that we should love our work. If we haven't yet found it, we should keep on searching. We should never accept less than what we aim for in life. This was the answer. Now next, question number B. Read the following passage carefully and complete the activity. Okay. B1, state true or false. Okay, 4 sentences are given there. Okay, and we have to choose them as true or as a false sentence after reading the passage. Okay, now see first sentence. On the 85th day, the old man succeeds in hooking a salmon with his bait. This sentence is false. Why it is false? Because you can see here the sentence on the here. Okay, on the 85th day he succeeds in hooking a marlin with his bait. Okay, marlin fish is mentioned in the passage, but in a question salmon word is used. Okay, salmon, this is also fish, and marlin also fish, but both are different. Okay, so first sentence is false because that old man hooked a marlin fish, not a salmon. Okay, so that's why it becomes false. Second, Maloney was his apprentice. Yes, this is a true sentence. You can see here. His young and devoted apprentice Manolin. Okay, that's why it becomes true. Now third, the old man hardly had any experience in fishing. This sentence also false because the first sentence you can see an old man, an old and experienced scuba fisherman. Okay, this phrase is used there. Experienced, this word is used there. That's why. And in given sense, hardly had it means a very short time period. But this old man is very experienced person. That's why given sentence becomes false. Last one. During the First World War, the old man had worked with the Red Cross. This sentence also false because the given statement is here. He worked for the Red Cross during the First World War. Okay, this statement is used for Hemingway, not for that old man. That's why this given statement becomes false. Okay, so I wish you got these four answers very well. So move for the next question. Once again, the diagram is given there. Complete the following bubbles with the help of the passage. Okay, and in this diagram we have to feel the qualities of Hemingway. Okay, as a human being, what the qualities he had, that we have to mention here. Okay, first we have to see the answers. First one, experience of fishing, fan of baseball, talks about the needs to struggle against defeat and death. And fourth one, worked for the Red Cross during the First World War. Okay, now see how we have chosen these qualities. Now search these qualities in the passage. Okay, here you can find there. Okay, here he had experience of fishing. Okay, this one, this is the quality of Hemingway that we have mentioned. Second one, okay, a fan of baseball. Okay, once again, this is also the quality. He was the biggest fan of baseball. This is also the quality of Hemingway. Talks about the needs to struggle. Okay, now here is the sentence. Okay, talks about the need to struggle against defeat and death. This is the quality, means he was always thinking positively. That's why this is the quality we can mention here. And last one, he worked. Okay, he worked for the Red Cross during the First World War. This is the quality of Hemingway that we have taken here. So once again, you have to just see that answers. Question number B3. Make meaningful sentences of your own using the below given words or phrases. Okay, one word and one phrase is given there. We have to use them in our own sentence. Okay, means this is depend on you. If you want to make another sentence, you can. I have given two answers to you. Uh, First word is devoted, and we have used that word in our own sentence. Like this, you can see. Answer: Sachin was a very devoted man. Okay, devoted, this word we have used there. And second one is a phrase, to be afraid by. To be forced by. To be forced by. And the answer is Seema was forced by her parents to marry. Okay. To be for to be was word we have taken there, and remaining phrase is as it is. So these two answers we have made here. Now see the question number B4. Do as directed. First, he is unable to catch any fish for 84 days. Pick the infinitive in the sentence. Okay, so infinitive means to plus first form. Okay, first form of main verb or base form of main verb. So in the given question, to catch, you can see here to catch. uh, to catch, this word is used there, that's why it becomes infinitive verb. Okay, infinitive, to catch. Number second, Hemingway always talks about the needs to struggle against defeat or death. Rewrite the sentence as a negative sentence without changing its meaning. Okay, this is a little bit complicated, but uh, we have to know that when we are changing any sentence into negative without changing its meaning at that time, we have to use some opposite phrases, opposite words in a sentence that can explain, that can show the given sentence is negative. Okay, when we are using negative words, negative sentence, so negative words, negative phrase we have to use there. So first answer is there. Hemingway never keeps mum about the needs to struggle against defeat or death. Okay, never keeps mum. It means कभी भी चुप नहीं बैठना. Okay, कभी भी जो चुप नहीं बैठता इसका मतलब talks. Okay, in this way you can change the sentence, or you have two choices. Okay, second choice also given there, means you can make this sentence in two different way. Second one is there. Hemingway doesn't be silent about the need to struggle against defeat or death. Okay, meaning is the same. Doesn't be silent, it means always talking there. Okay, always talking there. Or sometimes you can use Hemingway doesn't be quiet. Okay, if you use their quiet word, then your sentence also correct. So while changing any positive sentence into negative without changing the meaning, at that time we have to keep in mind some opposite ideas, opposite words, opposite phrases we have to use in a sentence. So next one. So last question is there, and this also depend on the personal response. And the question is, would you prefer to read a book or see a film based on the book? Give reasons for your answer. Okay, I have given the answer there. I would prefer to read a book. Books are always better than films because by reading books, I may imagine the landscape, the main characters, then diction. I would like to feel that all things from the book. So for me, reading books is the best. Okay, this is my own opinion. You can write your own if you want. If you prefer for the film, then you can write. If you prefer reading books, then you can write. This is depend on your personal thinking. So in this way, textual passages we have completed. In the next video, we discuss about the poems, the questions which are on the poem, as well appreciation of poem. These all things we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.